Today we explore why software keeps changing, even after it reaches your devices. You wake up in the morning and pick up your smartphone. Suddenly, you notice that your favorite app looks completely different. The buttons have moved and the colors have shifted. Why is software never truly finished? And why does it constantly require updates? When a car or a television leaves the factory, it is a complete, final product. It does not change its features next month. Many people believe that software updates only happen because developers made mistakes. They assume that if engineers just wrote perfect code from the very start, updates would never be necessary. According to this common view, an update is simply a repair for a broken tool. However, this assumes that software exists in a vacuum, completely isolated from the outside world. In reality, a piece of software is less like a solid rock and more like a living organism that must adapt. The truth is that fixing mistakes is only a small part of the story. Software requires updates due to a complex web of technical dependencies, security threats, and shifting economics. To understand why, we have to look at how software distribution has completely transformed over time. In the early days of personal computing, software updates were incredibly rare and expensive. During the 1980s, programs were distributed on physical floppy disks. Once a company printed thousands of disks and shipped them to stores, the code was completely frozen. If a serious error was discovered later, the company had to physically mail out new disks to every single customer. By the late 1990s, software grew larger and transitioned onto CD-ROMs, packaged in large cardboard boxes. Although the storage capacity increased, the fundamental problem remained exactly the same. Software was treated as a physical item that you bought once and kept forever. With the birth of the consumer internet, developers finally gained a direct pipeline to their users. Modems allowed computers to download small files called patches over telephone lines. This technological shift completely transformed software from a static physical product into a flexible digital service. To understand why code breaks, even when it is left untouched, we must examine the digital ecosystem. An application never runs entirely by itself. Instead, it sits on top of multiple layers of other software and hardware. Think of software as a building constructed on a landscape that is constantly moving. The lowest layer is the physical hardware, such as the computer chip or smartphone processor. Above that is the operating system layer, which manages the basic functions of the device. When the manufacturer updates the operating system to support new hardware, the rules of the environment change. An application written 5 years ago expects the old rules and the old layout. When those underlying layers shift, the old application can suddenly freeze, crash, or fail to open entirely. This phenomenon is sometimes called software rot or bit rot. It describes how perfectly written code becomes non-functional, simply because the surrounding world moved forward. Furthermore, modern applications rely heavily on external digital libraries and third-party web services. If a weather application fetches its data from an online server, and that server changes its communication format, the app breaks. Therefore, developers must continuously rewrite parts of their code just to maintain the exact same level of functionality. Updates are required not because the application itself changed, but because everything around it did. Beyond compatibility, the most critical reason for continuous updates is digital security. When software is released, clever attackers immediately begin searching for hidden security flaws, known as vulnerabilities. A vulnerability is like a tiny crack in a castle wall that went unnoticed during construction. Once attackers discover this crack, they can exploit it to steal private data or infect devices with malware. Security engineers must race against these threats by creating a specific fix, commonly called a security patch. This patch effectively seals the crack before widespread damage can occur. In the modern era, threats evolve every single day, turning security into a continuous game of cat and mouse. Additionally, economics have changed how software companies operate. Instead of selling software once as an expensive package, most companies now use a subscription model. Users pay a monthly fee to access the software through the cloud. To justify this ongoing payment, companies must continuously deliver value by adding new features and improving the interface. Constant updates have become the primary business model of the modern digital economy. However, this relentless cycle of continuous updates comes with significant trade-offs. Every time a developer changes a line of code to fix a problem, they risk creating a completely new mistake. This is known as a regression bug, where a working feature accidentally breaks due to an unrelated change. Furthermore, updates often leave older devices behind. As apps grow more complex, they require faster processors, rendering older smartphones obsolete. There is also a psychological cost for the average consumer. Constant user interface changes can cause frustration, forcing people to relearn tools they use every day. Because of these risks, some critical systems deliberately avoid updates. They isolate themselves from the internet and run old, frozen code for decades to guarantee absolute predictability. Ultimately, we must change how we perceive digital technology. Software is not a physical object like a hammer or a book that remains unchanged through time. Instead, it is a living, evolving service that exists within a dynamic, shifting world. The progress bar on your screen is not a sign of failure or an incomplete product. It is the sound of an invisible engine, working constantly to keep your digital world secure, compatible, and alive. Next time your device updates, take a moment to appreciate the invisible architecture, keeping it secure and alive. Outdated. Vulnerability. Compatible. Distribution. Maintenance. Ecosystem. Dependency. Trade-off. Check the description for the Anki deck to review what you learned.